In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply for an industrial design using our online filing solution, WIPO File. The first requirement in order to use WIPO File is you must have a WIPO File account. If you do not have a WIPO File account, you can request one by emailing us your info at info@ipo.gov.tt. You can also check out our tutorial on how to request and complete the registration process for a WIPO File account on our website as well as on our YouTube channel. So I'll begin to log in WIPO File using my WIPO File account. And once logged in, it takes you to the workbench. And at the top, you will hover over Submission and simply select Industrial Design. Once selected, it takes you to the Industrial Design application page. The first field, which is mandatory, has the application type. There's only one type, so you can leave this as Industrial Design. The second field, description, would be the title for your industrial design. And primary abstract would be the abstract for the design. For the design images, please note it must be an image in JPEG format or .bmp. Simply click Choose File. We select the image. Once selected, we click on this Add button. And we'll see a little preview of our design image. Next, we'll head to the applicant/designer details. We'll click on Add Applicant. And for this demo, we'll simply add in the mandatory fields only. Email, city, country Trinidad and Tobago, nationality. We'll also select Trinidad and Tobago as well. Phone number. Right, we enter 5 zeros for the zip code. We also have the option to copy as designer so that this information will be used both for applicant and designer. We can simply click on the save button, which will allow for this applicant information to be saved, and proceed to enter another. Or we can click on the save and close, which will save this applicant's information and close the window. So we'll click on save and close, and as you can see, we check the box so they are both designer and applicant. If desired, we can also click here to add another applicant, as well as click here to add another designer. If you wish to delete the information, we can simply select the checkbox and click on Delete Selected. Next, we'll move on to representative details. We'll add a rep, and this information will be already filled out based on your account information when you registered for your WIPO File account. So once here, we simply enter the zip code and then we click Save and Close. There's also the option to submit your priority details. If necessary, you simply select the office. You enter the priority application number and you select the priority filing date. You can also upload supporting documents, which can be an AOA, a letter, priority document if there was any priority. And then you simply click Choose File and you would select your priority document or letter if necessary. Once you are completed with your design application, you can simply click Validate Application. As you can see, application has been successfully validated and can be submitted. We have the option to save the application and come back to it, or submit the application. So let's demo saving the application. So as you can see, application draft was successfully saved. If we were to go back to the workbench, we would see our industrial design was saved and the status is draft. Right, if you would like to submit, we can go back into the application and simply go to the submit application button. If you would like to delete the application, there's also the possibility to do so by clicking on this icon. So we'll click submit. And as you can see, application submitted successfully. I'll just click OK and it will take us back to the workbench. And if we look for our industrial design application, as you can see, the status says submitted. And that's it for using WIPO File to apply for an industrial design.